Ay, I got shooters everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. I can go like anywhere. I got OG crazy. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Just come and go, no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians that I'm the one that is sparking. They go got them parking.
LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds. He don't really do the fin.
What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a video that's not really any content wise, but it's something that has to be addressed. So I'm going to be the one to say it since it seems like nobody else is. Alright guys, so here's where we're at. I didn't want to be making this video. It's something I've watched over the years. I've been in the car scene for a long time. I've had a variety of different cars, so I'm not just biased to one side or another. I pretty much understand all how type of car group you're in, whether it's domestic, JDM, European, exotic, whatever it is. I've literally had everything. So I'm here to talk about the sideshows and the takeovers. Alright guys, so like I said, what's got to be said, this shit just got to stop. It's one of the things where, like, I totally get it. I'm all about having fun. I've done dumb shit. I've street raced, wheelies on the highway, drifted on the street. The thing is, there is a time and there's a place for everything. And like whoever's doing that right now, not the time, brother. Not the time. But like I'm saying, the thing is, there's a time and a place for everything. You can do all that shit. Don't be taking over public roads where people are trying to get by, get home. Someone's got to go to the fucking hospital. You guys have no idea, and you're just being ignorant, blocking off all the shit. The thing is, if you guys are trying to have fun, go drift, go do it in a parking lot somewhere. Don't bring 1,000 people. Do it with you and your buddies. I get the whole being in a crowd thing's fun, but it's just ruining stuff. The reason California has this stuff going on where they're just hounding cars for having no front plate, loud exhaust, stupid shit like that is because of stuff like this. And the people that aren't doing the dumb stuff are getting grouped in with all the people that are doing the dumb stuff because they're car guys. And a lot of them have nothing to do with that, and they're having to deal with the repercussions for it. So it's one of those things, like I said, street racing, like I said, done it, do it, all that. Go out at 2 o'clock in the morning when no one's on the highway. Don't be racing in and out of traffic. And the thing that bothers me the most is when I see these things on TV, when they're calling them street racers, and there's fucking idiots and V6 Camaros with pink wheels on it doing donuts in an intersection. It's not a street racer, it's a fucking idiot. So it's giving the real guys that are actually out trying to make passes, have fun, do the thing the right way, a bad name. Not that they're gonna have a good name either way, but it's just making it worse for us because we're just trying to get out, get something in, and then dip, not stick around and cause a huge commotion. So my goal behind this video, I hope people share it around. I want people to just realize that there's a time and a place for everything. Like, all this takeover stuff's gotta stop. It's ruining the car scene. It's seriously giving bad taste in all of the cops' mouths against us. Guys that are complete different car guys that are just out trying to have a good time and not cause a whole commotion. The thing is, the other thing about it, if you guys are respectful to the police, 8 out of 10 times, they're gonna work with you. I'm not gonna say 9 or 10 out of 10 times because I know there are cops out there that are just douchebags that are power hungry, but this has got to come to an end. It's ruining the car scene. I just seen this guy in the Camaro kill 3 people in Texas being a fucking idiot. Why are you going 140 in your stock Camaro on a side road? Why are you doing that? It's not cool. No one thinks it's cool. And now you killed 3 people and you ruined the rest of your life. You ruined all their families' lives. That shit's got to come to an end. Like, it's not cool. And seeing these people doing donuts in all these parking lots where they're having like a car meet during the day, guys, stop doing that. It's ruining everything. Everything that we've done in the past, I've been in the car scene since 2014, and I've been in it even before then when I wasn't driving. So I got to watch all this stuff evolve. A lot of our cool meets that we used to have back when they got shut down, all because of stupid stuff like this. If it just stops, it's going to make it way better for all of us, and I can assure you that. So like I said, guys, the big thing I'm looking for out of this, take it somewhere else. Go out in the country, go out to an abandoned warehouse, go out to a warehouse on the weekend where, you know, people aren't going to be working or you're going to be causing commotion. Don't bring 1,000 people with you, just go with you and a handful of buddies, and this shit's going to last way longer, as opposed to all the stuff we're dealing with now. It's not a huge deal here yet. I'm in St. Louis. It is starting to happen. I do see it here and there. I think California is a huge spot where it's happening. Texas is a huge spot where it's happening. And we just got to have someone put a halt to it. So since I haven't seen many people speak up on it, I wanted to make a video about it. And here I am. I'm sitting in my drift car. Obviously, I like to have fun. Just don't be an idiot. Like, there's so much just common sense. That's all you got to put behind it, and everything's going to be all right. Like I said, I get it. Sometimes the track's not open. Sometimes there's certain circumstances where you can't go to the track. Sometimes the track's 2-3 hours away, and I get that. But like I said, there's a time and a place for everything. And I promise you, if you guys tone back on this stuff and you're not doing it out in the middle of the street, the police are going to respect it more. All of these rules and shit that are going on right now, they're going to die down after a while. The cops aren't going to enforce them as much. So all you guys got to do is just let it be for a bit. Don't be doing this shit every night. Let it chill out. Don't keep going back to the same spots. Don't bring a million people. And if you guys are racing, don't be running your 350Zs with 300 wheel horsepower in and out of traffic and cutting people off, causing accidents. Don't be leaving car meets and trying to be the cool guy that's a hero and slams into a crowd. It's not cool. It's never been cool. Just keep it toned down, keep it calm, and I promise you this stuff will be way better moving forward, and it's going to last a lot longer versus everyone doing these takeovers and stopping streets lights and preventing people from getting to their houses. Stuff's not cool, man. It's not cool. So I don't want to be the fucking Karen of the group, but like I said, there's a time and a place for everything. Time and a place for everything. So guys, please share this video, tag me in it, do whatever you want to do. I just want this to get out, whether you put it on your Instagram story, share it on Facebook. The takeovers and sideshows got to stop. It's ruining a lot of stuff across the country. It's not just one spot, it's all over. That being said, guys, this isn't my typical video. Normally I'm posting cool, fun shit that we're doing in these cars, but I do have a lot of stuff planned for my Z, for this, a lot of stuff coming. If you're new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. It is greatly appreciated by your boy. And we'll see you guys in the next video.